Now we are going to do the second sum. The question is 82.17. 82.17 divided by 9. So now let's start the sum. This is a general long division. See. So first you have to compare 9 and 82. So 82.17 is a dividend and 9 is a divisor. So first you have to compare with 8, but you can't because 8 is a lesser than 9 because 8 is a small number, 9 is a bigger number. So after that you have to take the next number, that is 2, 82. So 9 9s are what? 81. So you have to subtract 2 minus 1, 1. After that you must put a point, then you have to bring down the next decimal digit, that is tens place you have to bring down. So now what? 1 9s are 9. 11 is greater than 9, so you have to what? 1 into 9, 9. 11 minus 9 you can get 2. Then after that you have to bring down the hundreds place, that is 7, 27. So 9 3s are 27. The answer is 0. So reminder, this is a reminder and this is a quotient. The answer is 9.13. Anyhow, 9.13 is a quotient. Reminder is 0, but you have to check the answer. Check the answer means whether you find out the answer is right or wrong. If you want to check the answer, if you want to find out the answer whether it is right or wrong, you have to check it first. So quotient into divisor you have to multiply. Sorry, quotient into divisor is equal to dividend, you know that. Dividend. So quotient is 9.13 into what? You have to multiply by 9. So 9 3s are 27, carry 2, and 1 9s are 9, 9 plus 2 11, carry over as goes to the whole number part. 9 into 9 81, 81 plus 1 82. After that you have to move the what? You have to what? Keep the point. You have to move from what? That is right side. Okay, from right to left, that is 117, 82.17, because after this point how many digits? 2 digits must come. The answer is 82.17. Okay. Now the 9.13 is the right answer because you got the what? Dividend. That is a question, you got this. So the answer is 9.13 is the right answer for this question. Now next sum, that is third sum. I'll just drop the sum, after that I'll do this. It is third one, 0.65 divided by 5. So now the decimal number is divided by the whole number. The same method, that is not the long division method. 0.6 already our previous method we have, whatever we used. But the first question, multiply by 100. So why should I multiply by 100? 0.65 into 100. Because after the point how many digits? 2 digits, so you have to multiply by 100 only. That is what I multiply by 100. If you multiply by 100 only, it becomes a whole number. Then after that 5. So 5 is a whole number, so you have to multiply only by 100. Because if the numerator is multiplied by 100, the denominator also multiplied by the same number, that means 100. So you can get 65 because this decimal point moved 2 place to the what? Right direction. So after that what will come? 65 divided by 500. So you have to divide by 65 by 500. So even if you simplify this method, if you divide by 5 you can get 13. If you divide by 100 you can get what? 500 is divided by, this is divided by 5, you can get what? 65 is divided by 5, you can get 13, and 500 is also divided by 5, that is simplify, you can get 100. So 13 by 100. So look at this number, 13 by 100. So what you're going to write? So 13 by 100 means in the last how many digits? 2 digits are here. So you have to move, if you while you go for division, so move 2 place to the left. 13 point. Okay. 13 point. That is, after that you must add 0. This represent decimal. So 0.13 is the answer for this question. That's all. Now the next sum is fourth sum, that is 27.54 is divided by 9. This is a long division method. This is a normal method. Even if you want to check the answer whether it is right or wrong, this answer, that is, what is this? This is a quotient. This answer is multiplied by the divisor. You can get the question. So look at this number, 0.13 into 5. 5 3s are 15, carry 1. 1 5s are 5, 5 plus 1, 6. After that you must put a point, then you must add 0 in front of the point. You can, what? You got the question, that is dividend. So the answer is exactly right. Now look at this number. Sorry, I forgot to say that. 27.59, now 9. So first 27.54. So first you have to what? Take 2. 2 is less than 9. So you have to move to the next digit, that is 7. 27. 9 into 3 you can get 27. So 27 minus 27 you can get 0. It's not necessary. Then you must put a point, and after that you must bring down 5. So 5 is less than 9. So what you're going to do? So you have to bring down 4, but before that you must add 0, then you must bring down this 4. So 9 6 are 54. So 54 minus 54 you can get 0. 0 is a remainder and this is quotient. This is a long division method. So the answer is 3.06. Anyhow, the answer is right or wrong, you have to check. So what is the check method? Quotient is multiplied with the divisor. That means Q is equal to Q into divisor, that means 9. That is D. So 3.06 into 9. 9 6 are 54, 4. Carry over goes to the tens place. So 9 into 0, 0. 0 plus 5, 5. So after that you must put a point. Then what? 3 into 9 you can get 27. The answer is 27.54. 27.54. You got the question. So you find out the answer, that is 3.06. That's a quotient is equal to quotient. This answer is exactly right. Now we move on to the last sum. Just before that I just rub that, and after that I'll teach the sum. So here 4.8 is the last sum. 4.8 is divided by 2. So again, what you're going to do, you have to divide the decimal number with the whole number. Decimal number is going to divide by the whole number. 4.8, that means you have to what? First you have to change the whole number. So after the point you have only one digit, so you have to multiply by 10. So divided by 12. So if the numerator is multiplied by 10, the numerator is also multiplied by 10. So you move one place to the right. It becomes 48, and after that you can get 120. So 48 divided by 120. So what you're going to do? So 48, even you can, if you want to simplify, you can simplify. Otherwise, you can directly divide this. So I'm just going to simplify. So 48 is divided by 2, you can get 24. It's divided by 2, you can get what? 60. So again I divided by 2. So both you can get 12. Then here what is this? 30. So you can get 12 by 30. So again if I want to divide this number, you can get 6 by 15. So again I have to divide it by 3. You can get 2 by 5. So now the answer is 2 by 5, but anyhow you have to divide. 2 is divided by 5. So 2 is what? Less than 5. So you have to, first you have to write 0, it's a decimal. After that you must put a point, then you have to put 0. So now it becomes greater than 5. So 4 5s are 20, it becomes 0. So the answer is 0.4. Answer is 0.4. But anyhow the answer is right or wrong, you want to check. So quotient with a divisor, quotient is 0.4 and divisor is 12. So Q into D, you can get dividend, D-I-V-I-D-E-N-D, dividend 0.4 into 12. So 4 2s are 8 and 2 0 0. 1 4s are 4, 1 0 0. So 8 4 0. So what are you going to do? So how many points you have to take? So only 1 point from the right to left. So this 0 is not considered. So 4.8. You got it? That means the question you got it. So the answer is exactly, whatever you find, the answer is exactly right.